Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to create an app in just 2 minutes. Whether you want an iOS or Android app, this video makes it incredibly easy to convert your website into a fully functional mobile app. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Median platform website. You can find it at median.co. Next, you can choose to sign up or log in if you want to save your app projects for later. However, signing up is optional, and you can proceed without creating an account. Now, enter the URL of the website you want to convert into an app. For this example, we're using my website, weblogtrips.com. Median will now fetch your website's details. You can customize the app by adding icons, splash screens, and other settings. Spend a minute here to make it look just right. To ensure your app gets approved by the App Store and Google Play Store, you'll need to configure necessary permissions and native settings. This step is crucial for meeting the App Store guidelines. Once you're happy with the customization and settings, click on a Generate App. Median will start converting your website into a mobile app. In just a few moments, your app will be ready. You can download the APK for Android or the IPA for iOS directly from the platform. And that's it! You've successfully created an app in just 2 minutes using the Median platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.